Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add Suica to Google Wallet. Want to add Suica to Google Wallet? Let's get started. First, make sure your phone was sold in Japan, as global models don't support Felica natively. Next, enable NFC and contactless payments in your phone settings. Then sign into Google Wallet with a Google account that has its country set to Japan. Now open Google Wallet, tap the Add to Wallet button, choose eMoney or Transit Card, and select Suica from the list. You will then decide how to add it, either create a brand new virtual Suica or transfer an existing physical card by holding it to your phone's NFC sensor. Once the process completes, your Suica card will appear in Google Wallet, ready to use in just seconds. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.